Hey guys, it's another day and it's time to paint the doors.
So if you have not checked out already, go and check out our previous video where we prepped all the walls. In today's video, we are going to paint all the doors. We have already finalized the paint color and let's get started. First things first, let's change. Before painting all the doors, we are going to take out all these hardwares so that we have a clean slate to paint to. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Point like that.
While I was painting basement, Anish has already lined the floor and also marked these trims. So I don't have to worry about getting paint all over them. Right now I am painting all the areas where roller won't go in. So I'm cutting all these corners so that once I'm ready with all of this, I can just run a roller, and I've already done those up there. So this is the first coat, that's why you'll see streaks, but second coat will cover everything and it looks really amazing. I've already done few of the doors and they're looking really amazing. I'll show you the final results soon. This is how first coat looks like. There's still white showing out in a lot of places, but the second coat will cover all of them. Anish is trying roller. This is his first time painting.
Oh, I must say it is satisfying.
It is, but the roller is heavy. After couple of hours, it starts paining. Do you see these edges? There's so much white, right? This is after first coat and I just did second coat here. You see, there are no white streaks. So second coat covers everything. So let's just start from here. See, it covered everything. I don't have to even go twice. We are done with today's paint job. So now we are cleaning our brush and roller. So we are just taking some warm water and some dish soap and we'll cleaning our brush. If we leave our brushes like this, then tomorrow we won't be able to use them. They'll become hard and unusable. So we clean them, and when we'll come tomorrow, we'll have fresh brush and roller. So right now it's looking gray, but it will become like that. So those are two extra rollers and we were using this one today. The roller is already white now. I just need to scrub it more and it will become pure white. It won't become pure white, but it will, all the gray color will come out. And this is an amazing tool to wipe down the brushes.
Alright, so we got our door hardware, the first set that is. There is another set that's going to be coming real soon. We had to order that a little later. But this one should be enough to get started. You got this on what, Amazon, right?
Amazon.
Yeah. Got them for like a pretty reasonable rate as well. Okay. So like each of them are like from individual boxes. So I think there are 6 of them right now. So what we have here is the door locks, right? I'll open this one in just a second. Okay.
I'm excited.
Me too. Okay. So these are the handles. Ooh, they are sturdy.
They are? Oh, looks nice.
Yeah. Feels cold to the touch. Okay.
Wow.
We just need to clean this up a little bit. But otherwise, yeah, they're solid.
Show me. Wow, they're nice. They're really heavy.
And of course they turn. So they turn in both directions. And I broke one of them already. Okay. And then I'm assuming this is the actual lock. With the screws and everything. Yeah.
Yep, that's it.
Oh, they gave the strike plate.
Oh, nice. We don't have to buy this then.
That's good.
Lucky we didn't order it. We were going to order it yesterday.
No. So this is the strike plate which we are going to change out as well. It has plastic on top, so remind me to remove that. But yeah, it's good that they have matching strike plates now. And this is the actual lock. We just finished painting the doors and we are changing all the hardware so that everything looks brand new.
So, Anish, what are you doing right now?
So I'm changing out the strike plate on a garage door. The old one had like the golden accents to it, like this one. They're replacing it with a new color. Finally, we are done painting all of our doors and installing new hardware on them. The older doors were all white with gold accents, which we decided we don't want as our primary color of choice. So we decided to give it a more coherent look.
So we both are working and have our 9 to 5 job. So after getting done with our work, we used to rush to our new house, spend time painting and then go back to our old house and sleep and start the day again. So we were only able to spend 2 or 3 hours each day working because there's 30 minutes traveling time each side as well. So in total it took us 12 hours, 10 to 12 hours to paint all these doors. If we would have done it in one day, it would have taken us much less. But since we were working throughout the week, it took us more time. Right. So you can see here we have a before and after of our doors, which earlier were all white with gold accents, and now it's all a coherent black look. So in total we painted 12 doors, front and back, and 2 coats each. In our next video we'll be painting all of the walls in this house and we'll be that much closer to having a fully painted house. So stay tuned, and if you like this video then give us a like and comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.